Baba killed? Was Baba killed? That is my question. Now, this is very sensitive information. Very, very sensitive information for the stability of this nation. Now, there have been rumors na vitu mingi, na when Baba died, I remember kuna watu walikuwa wanaandamana town wakisema they were saying Kasongo ameua Baba kwa sababu alisema atasimama 2027. Now kuna kitu Maverick Aoko amesema, and probably she's speaking the minds of a lot of people who are afraid to talk, including you. Na the accusations are that Baba might have been killed because of her political stand. Now, this is according to Aoko. Aoko said Jacom was laced in Dubai. Kulesiwa ni kuwekewa dawa. While en route to India for a regular checkup, he stopped over to have a meeting with Gideon in Dubai. Alipewa the same suite Kasongo sleeps in when he goes to smuggle arms from Sudan. Uko Dubai mali alidala. I wrote to X wakasema baji narudi Friday. Mtulie, guest inakuja. Now, the motive, according to Aoko, the motive of Baba being eliminated is, anasema the motive, an exclusive meeting with Uhuru. Baba alipatana na Uhuru, and after that he refused to merge ODM with Kenya Kwanza. I think kulikuwa na agreement Baba a merge na UDA, they form a coalition, but after the meeting with Uhuru, Baba akakuja akakataa kufanya nini? Kumerge ODM na UDA. Now Aoko continues, why do you think Uhuru stayed in Bondo for 2 days? He knows their secret meeting ended Jacom. So the secret meeting that Uhuru had na Raila ndio ilifanya Raila akafanya nini? Akauawa. This is according to Maverick Aoko. And from then, this is 9 hours ago, and then I can see another one 14 hours ago. Hakuna mtu ambaye amejitokeza kukataa na hii maneno. Hakuna mtu amejitokeza. And now this raises a very serious concern. Anything for power, anything to retain power, and nobody will block him if this is true. I know we are mourning, but this is very sensitive and serious.